Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow on Discord. Now the steps are really quick and easy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the Blue Willow server on your Discord. Now to do that, you just open any browser, search Blue Willow Discord, and you just have to click the first link that pops up. So you need to click that one and it will route you to a page where it invites you to accept the server. And after that, you should have Blue Willow on your Discord. Now the next step is you need to go to the one of the rookie servers. So I'm just gonna choose rookie 2. And you need to make sure, by the way, that you need to create a new server for Blue Willow. So here we go, I created a new server for Blue Willow. I just named it Crow Blue Willow. And again, back from the server, just need to click the name Blue Willow, click add to server, and just need to select the server that you created for Blue Willow. Just click authorize. You just need to finish the verification. Alright, and there you go. You have Blue Willow. Just create a wonderful AI pic. You just type in something like that, and it's gonna give you the picture. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching, guys.